Dean Charles Chapman, 27 years old. Thomas Brody, 34 years old. Sean Bean, 66 years old. Gemma Whelan, 44 years old. Aidan Gillen, 57 years old. Isaac Hempstead, 26 years old. Jack Gleason, 33 years old. Michelle Fairley, 62 years old. Ewan Rion, 40 years old. Art Parkinson, 24 years old. Natalie Dormer, 44 years old. Lena Headey, 51 years old. Gwendoline Christie, 47 years old. Richard Madden, 38 years old. Christian Nairn, 50 years old. Rose Leslie, 39 years old. Nicolaj Coster-Waldau, 55 years old. Alfie Allen, 39 years old. Christopher Hivju, 47 years old. Hannah Murray, 36 years old. Peter Dinklage, 56 years old. Carrie Ingham, 26 years old. Natalia Tina, 41 years old. Carice Van Houten, 49 years old. Kit Harington, 39 years old. Liam Cunningham, 65 years old. Emilia Clark, 39 years old. Sibyl Kakili, 45 years old. Amrita Akaria, 39 years old. John Bradley, 37 years old. Tim Glenn, 64 years old. Brennock O'Connor, 25 years old. Jerome Flynn, 62 years old. Maisie Williams, 28 years old. Rory McCann, 56 years old. Daniel Portman, 44 years old. Esme Bianco, 43 years old. Jason Momoa, 46 years old. Conleth Hill, 61 years old. Eugene Simon, 33 years old. Nathalie Emmanuel, 37 years old. Tom Vlashiha, 52 years old. Sophie Turner, 30 years old. Charles Dance, 79 years old. Roxanne McKee, 45 years old. Hafpor Julius Bjornsson, 37 years old. Ben Crompton, 51 years old. Diana Rigg, 85 years old.